Welcome. Today we are going to show you a special ship. In Korean, this ship is called Barge. The special feature of this ship is that it has no engine. Then how does it move in the sea? Actually, this is not a regular type of ship. Most of the time they are stopped in one place for months. When it is necessary to travel, it is towed with the help of another small ship or several. So why stop at one place? The reason is that this is mostly a type of ship equipped with huge cranes, drills or various machines. These are stopped and worked for a long time in places where there are constructions in the sea or on the land near the sea. Now, 3 days after taking the ship ashore, we are ready to board the ship. By now the ship has been completely washed and grinded and the first AC paint coat has been applied. Here you can see that one of the 4 anchor chains of the ship has been pulled out for repair. And you can see how the hull is repaired. Let's move to the back of the ship now. This is a stone chipping machine and you can see a small amount of chipped stones here. To be precise, this is a floating factory in the sea. This part can be raised and lowered. This is used to enter and exit the ship. So now we are going to go onto the ship. Here you can see how a damaged part of the ship is cut and removed for resoldering. So, in a few days, all the repairs will be completed and this ship will be put back into the sea. After 8 days, we are ready to undock the repaired ship. So if you think something new has been added to your knowledge from this video, don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you guys. See you again.